Go ahead, Connor. What story are you going to be reading now?
Look!
Okay, let's start from the first box.
Look what bugs do. Bugs hop on hot dogs.
Good job. Next.
Look what cats do. Cats rip up rugs. Look what dogs do. Dogs run in mud. Look what dads do. Dads look at bugs. But dads do not hug bugs.
Next. Right here.
Look what dad does. Look what dad do. Dads do.
No, right here.
Oh, look what dads do. Dads hug kids. Dads
No.
hug dogs.
No, start over right here.
Dads hug kids, dogs, and cats.
Good job. So at the end. So what do bugs do?
They hop
On what?
on hot dogs.
And what do cats do?
Rip.
What do they rip up? What do they like to rip up?
Rug.
And what do dogs like to do? What do dogs like to do?
They like to run in the mud.
And what do dads do? Do dads run in the mud? What do dads like to do?
Dads hugs kids and dogs and cats.
Good job.
And look at bugs.
That's right. Say the end.
The end.